Anant Ambani's deep bond with animals is visible not just in his actions, but in his very presence. His preference for cruelty-free fabrics, earthy tones, and understated elegance reflects a life rooted in compassion. Even his watches and accessories are chosen with subtlety, never overshadowing his grounded persona. This empathy comes alive in Vantara, his visionary wildlife sanctuary, where care, healing, and respect for every creature take center stage. Anant doesn't just support animal welfare, he lives it, embodying Sanatan Dharma's spirit of harmony with all life.